I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. And these are really easy to use, really simple microfiber cloths. Are made with a synthetic fabric to get this microfiber type of design. And you get 24 of these in a pack. They come in 3 different colors. There's a blue, a yellow, and in this case, the white cloth. They're pretty big. I've got this folded into quarters, but if you fully open it up, you can see it's got so much kind of absorption there that it's sort of sticking to itself with these little loops. It is a fairly large, it's a bit bigger, I think, than a normal washcloth, for example. You can use these for all kinds of cleaning tasks around the house and also for cleaning your car. And as with a lot of microfiber, it's able to absorb a lot of liquid, about 8 times its own weight, apparently, according to Amazon. And so the way you use this is really simple. Just wet it. I find you kind of have to push it to get the water into the whole fabric. Keep it in here, totally immerse it, because again, it absorbs so much liquid. Almost takes it a little while, I think, to fully kind of load up. Then you got a lot of liquid contained in here. So I can show you if I take this, now that it's fully I can squeeze and get all that water back out. So that's how much it's sort of bringing, if you're bringing it along to clean something. I sometimes squeeze them out, or if I'm going to use it for cleaning like a car where I want to have a lot of water, then I will keep that in there. And with the microfiber surface, it's absorbing, holding that all in, but it's not going to scratch finishes. So I can use it here on my fancy faucet. I'm not going to have to worry about it scratching the stainless steel. And because it is very absorbent, it'll pick up, dirt and dust and that kind of thing and hold on to it really well. If you're using it for dry cleaning too, I find it's because it has those very, very tiny, a lot of these very, very tiny little loops, it does kind of almost have like an electrostatic charge to it, and it picks up and holds on to dust really well if you're using it as a dry cleaning cloth. So you can clean off, any kind of surfaces around the house, car. Works well on floors too, and it is totally washable. So you don't have to throw these away like you would with just a basic cleaning cloth. You can put it in the washing machine, wash it, they say hundreds of times. I've had these for a couple of years now, and I really can just keep using them over and over again. So really good product, again, for house cleaning, car cleaning, cleaning your floors. An alternative to mopping, because again, it does hold on to so much of that water. So I like to load it up with some soap, put it on the ground, and you can push it around with a traditional mop and use that to clean the floor really effectively, and then just dump it in the washing machine and wash it, and you're good to go and use it again. So that's the Amazon Basics Microfiber cloths.